If your car hasn't hit 100,000 miles yet, this video could double its lifespan or save you from a $4,000 repair you never saw coming. Because here's the disturbing truth. Most cars don't die at 200,000 miles. They die slowly, starting at 60,000. And the owners never realize what's happening until it's too late. Dealerships know this. Mechanics know this. Engineers know this. But drivers? They're left guessing. Today, I'm revealing 10 secrets, real insider maintenance habits that automakers never put in the owner's manual, but every longtime mechanic quietly practices on their own vehicles. These secrets are the difference between an engine that fails at 120,000 miles versus an engine that runs smooth at 350,000 plus. And secret number 8 is something 95% of drivers do wrong every single day, without knowing it. Stick to the end, because the last secret is the one that keeps engines alive decades longer than the average car on the road. Let's get into it. Secret 1. The 5,000-mile rule. Not the one in your manual. The number one way to make an engine last. Shorter oil change intervals than the manufacturer recommends. Yes, your manual might say 7,500 or even 10,000 miles. But real-world engines, especially direct injection and turbo models, don't operate in laboratory conditions. Here's what long-term oil analysis actually shows. At 5,000 to 6,000 miles, most oils still protect well. Beyond that, viscosity begins dropping. Fuel dilution increases, detergents weaken, carbon starts forming, timing chains wear faster. Engineers know this. Mechanics know this. The manuals don't show it because long service intervals help automakers meet low maintenance cost ratings, which help sell cars. Veteran Honda engineer, quote, "Oil intervals are written for marketing, not for engine longevity. If you want your car to reach 250,000 plus miles, treat 5,000 to 6,000 miles as the true maximum." Secret 2. Clean your intake system before 100,000 or pay the price. This is the secret that ruins engines without blowing them up. Modern engines, especially GDI, gasoline direct injection, build carbon inside the engine where fuel can't clean it. Intake valves, throttle body, PCV passages, EGR runners. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, airflow drops. Fuel trims rise, engines run richer, catalytic converters overheat, MPG drops. Most drivers think their car is just getting old. No, it's choking. Every mechanic with 20 plus years of experience says the same thing. Carbon buildup is the silent killer of modern engines. You don't need a walnut blast yet, but you must do throttle body cleaning, intake valve cleaner if port injection, upper engine cleaner, PCV service. Keeping your intake clean before 100,000 miles prevents misfires, carbon knock, burnt valves, clogged EGR systems, failed catalytic converters. This one secret alone can save you $2,000 plus in future repairs. Secret 3. The transmission service myth dealerships never explain. Your owner's manual may say, transmission fluid is lifetime. Mechanics laugh when they read that. Because in real shops, here's what we see. Transmissions begin failing at 120,000 miles. Fluid is burnt, oxidized, contaminated. Torque converters start shuttering. Solenoids stick. Clutch packs slip. The truth, transmission fluid is not lifetime fluid. It's lifetime for the warranty, not lifetime for the car. Most transmission builders recommend change ATF every 30,000 to 40,000 miles if you city drive. Every 50,000 to 60,000 miles if you highway drive. Fresh fluid removes heat, sheared additives, clutch dust, varnish. This is the difference between a transmission that dies at 140,000 miles and one that lasts to 300,000 plus. Secret number 3 is simple. Maintenance is cheaper than a rebuild. Secret 4. The coolant trap. Most cars overheat after 100,000 because of this. Coolant doesn't just cool the engine. It prevents corrosion, lubricates the water pump, protects aluminum engine parts, prevents head gasket deterioration. But coolant additives break down long before the fluid looks dirty. By 5 years or 60,000 miles, coolant usually loses. Anti-corrosion additives, lubricity, pH stability. Once that happens, heater cores clog, radiators scale, head gaskets weaken, thermostat sticks. Most random overheating issues around 100,000 miles come from neglected coolant. Real mechanics replace coolant every 4 to 5 years, regardless of mileage. One $100 service prevents a $1,800 head gasket job. Secret 5. The one filter that can make an engine last 100,000 miles longer. Everyone talks about oil filters. Nobody talks about air filters, except mechanics. A dirty air filter reduces airflow, increases fuel usage, makes the engine run rich, accelerates carbon buildup, damages catalytic converters, pulls dirt into the intake. But my dealership said I can go 30,000 miles on an air filter. Dealerships also make money replacing catalytic converters at 120,000 miles. Coincidence? A clean air filter is one of the cheapest ways to add 100,000 miles to an engine's life. High mileage Toyota tech. A clean engine is a cool engine. A cool engine is a long-lasting engine. Replace every 15,000 to 20,000 miles for best longevity. Secret 6. The PCV valve. The $8 part that ruins engines when ignored. The PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation, controls crankcase pressure. When it gets stuck, and it usually does around 70,000 to 90,000 miles, it causes oil leaks, sludge formation, oil consumption, blue smoke, blown seals. Most drivers don't even know they have a PCV valve. Mechanics do, and they replace it around 60,000 miles no matter what. It's the cheapest engine life insurance you'll ever buy. Secret 7. The battery mistake that destroys alternators. Most drivers replace a failing battery after it dies. Mechanics replace it before it dies. Why? Because a weak battery forces the alternator to work overtime, charging constantly. This overheats the alternator and shortens its life dramatically. Signs your battery should be replaced soon. Slow cranking, dim lights at idle, voltage below 12.4. Car hesitates on cold mornings. Replace a battery at the first hint of weakness, and your alternator may last 200,000 miles instead of 90,000. Secret 8. The idle habit that wears out engines 10 times faster. This is the one 95% of drivers do wrong. Cold starts. When you start your engine in the morning, oil is cold, viscosity is thick, bearings are dry, cams have minimal lubrication. Cold start wear equals 500 miles of warm driving wear. Most drivers start their car, drive immediately, and accelerate onto the road. Mechanics, they follow the 90-second rule. Let the oil circulate. Let the idle stabilize. Let the temperature rise slightly. Just 90 seconds can reduce engine wear by more than 50% over the lifetime of the vehicle. This one habit can add another 100,000 miles to your car. Secret 9. Why suspension maintenance saves your engine. Worn suspension bushings, ball joints, and mounts cause vibrations, engine movement, stress on mounts, transmission strain, misalignment, uneven tire wear. This leads to premature engine mount failure, broken CV axles, cracked exhaust flanges, transmission wear. Mechanics think of suspension as part of the engine support system. Drivers think of it as ride comfort. At 100,000 miles, your suspension isn't fine. It's tired. And replacing $200 worth of bushings can prevent $1,500 plus worth of engine and transmission damage. The hidden reason most engines fail after 100,000 miles. After 100,000 miles, engines don't usually suffer from one big catastrophic issue. They suffer from compounding neglect, dirty sensors, weak fuel pumps, clogged PCV valves, thinning oil, worn spark plugs, low coolant, weak ignition coils. One small issue triggers another, then another, and another. By the time the owner notices rough idle or low power, the engine has been running in damage mode for thousands of miles. Mechanics call this the domino effect of death. But here's the good news. You can stop the dominoes from falling and extend engine life dramatically by following just 3 simple rules. The 3 rules of cars that last 350,000 plus miles. These rules come straight from veteran technicians who see engines live and die every single day. Everyone wants to talk about it: spark plugs, timing belts, alternators, gaskets, but mechanics know. Fluids kill cars long before parts do. Engines fail because oil oxidizes, coolant corrodes, a TF burns, differential fluid breaks down. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Fresh fluids prevent 80% of mechanical failures. A mechanic who has owned dozens of 200,000 to 300,000 mile cars once said, "If you change fluids early and consistently, the car never ages. If you don't, the car ages fast, even if you barely drive it." Rule 2. Fix small problems immediately. The $10 problem ignored becomes a $100 problem, a $500 problem, a $1,500 problem, and finally, a $4,000 problem. Example, a $12 PCV valve becomes a $1,200 oil consumption repair. A $40 coolant leak becomes a $1,900 head gasket job. A $100 ignition coil becomes a burnt catalytic converter. A $30 sensor becomes a destroyed transmission. Mechanics have a saying, small repairs are optional. Big repairs aren't. The people whose cars die early are the ones who wait until it gets worse. Rule 3. Drive like your engine is cold, even when it isn't. Engines rarely wear out during highway cruising. They wear out during cold starts, short trips, hard acceleration, stop-and-go traffic, shutting off a hot turbo, low oil pressure moments. Even when warm, high loads create metal-on-metal contact that slowly destroys bearings and ring surfaces. Smart drivers follow a simple guideline. Never drive aggressively until the engine oil reaches full operating temperature, not just the coolant. Oil warms up much slower than coolant. A coolant gauge in the middle doesn't mean your engine is protected yet. Mechanics know this. Drivers don't. That's why mechanics' cars last longer, even if they're old. The checklist mechanics follow before 100,000 miles, but drivers don't. If you want your engine to reach 250,000 to 350,000 miles, these are the non-negotiables before hitting 100K. Oil changed every 5,000 miles, not 7,500, not 10,000. ATF changed every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Lifetime fluid is a myth. Coolant replaced every 4 to 5 years, even if it looks clean. Spark plugs replaced early, 60 to 80,000. Prevent coil failure and rich running. Checkmark PCV valve replaced. $8 part. $2,000 engine protection. Fuel system cleaned. Prevent carbon buildup in GDI engines. Air filter replaced every 15 to 20,000. Small cost, huge protection. Battery replaced before total failure. Save your alternator. These aren't suggestions. They're survival rules. Follow them, and your car becomes nearly unkillable. The real reason most engines die early. Engines don't fail because they're poorly built. Modern engines are engineering miracles. They fail because most owners never learn the rules that mechanics already know. Cars are predictable. Neglect is predictable. Failure is predictable. You can choose which path your engine goes down. Final message, the 100,000-mile turning point. At 100,000 miles, every car faces a crossroads, downward spiral, or years of reliable life ahead. Most cars begin dying at 100,000 not because of mileage, but because the owner never adapts their maintenance strategy as the car ages. But you are not most drivers. You now know the secrets mechanics use behind the scenes. You know the hidden rules dealerships never explain. You know exactly what to do to make your engine last 300,000 plus miles. Your car's next 100,000 miles are up to you. Want more high-level mechanic secrets? Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what mileage is your car at right now? Your answer might inspire the next video.